You're not broke because you earn less. You're broke because you spend more. Every time. You get paid. You feel relief. Then you buy something small, then something deserved, then something necessary. Suddenly, money is gone. Again. You tell yourself it's normal. Everyone does it. Inflation, bad luck, low income. But deep down, you know the truth. The more you spend, the more you need. Here's the lie nobody tells you. Spending does not solve stress. It creates it. Every purchase resets your baseline. That new phone, now it's your standard. That better apartment, now it's normal. That lifestyle upgrade, now it's required. You don't feel richer, you feel adjusted. And adjustment is expensive because your brain adapts fast, faster than your income grows. You chase comfort, but comfort becomes pressure. You chase status, but status becomes obligation. You chase pleasure, but pleasure becomes dependency. Let me say it clearly. You are not upgrading your life. You are upgrading your expenses. There's a guy, earns more every year. First job, small salary, simple life. Then promotion, bigger paycheck. He celebrates, upgrades everything. Car, clothes, restaurants, trips, another raise. Same pattern. Now he earns triple. But guess what? He's still stressed, still checking his bank account, still waiting for next month to feel safe because his lifestyle grew faster than his discipline. And this is where it gets uncomfortable. The problem is not your income, it's your identity. You don't spend money, you perform with it, to impress, to escape, to feel enough. But the cost of feeling enough is never enough. You don't need more money first. You need control first. You need friction. You need to pause before buying. You need to feel the discomfort and not escape it with spending, because discipline feels like loss until it becomes freedom. The trap is simple. The more you spend, the more you need. And the more you need, the more you chase. And the more you chase, the more you stay stuck. Break the loop, or the loop will break you. Be honest. What's the last thing you bought that you didn't actually need?